Hello again, everyone, and welcome to the Options Mentor. As those of you who follow the channel know, I've had quite a hectic week. I am no longer with SheridanMentoring.com. Dan and I had an amicable parting there earlier this week. So I'm starting out with another website. I'm going to go over all that here at the end of the video, how you folks can join me this coming week. So first, though, I wanted to go back over the trade we did from last week. I told you guys I'd go through it. It's still on, and I'll just basically quickly walk you through what I did. Let me share my screen here. And as you know, we had a fairly, well, not fairly, a very large move up over the last couple of months. And now we're up here around all-time highs again at 50.26. What I did was, and I mentioned putting on this trade on Monday, and all things got out of hand Monday. So I ended up putting it on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I put on the 4930 calendar for the 16th and bought the 20th. We were down, we were around 4950, I believe it was, in that area whenever I did that. So I put it on a little below, could have been somewhere between 40 and 60. And then, as you know, the market continued up. And then on Friday, it's not Friday, sorry, Thursday, we were up in here. So I went ahead and added the 50/20. We were somewhere around, I think, 49.80 or 90 before I did that. And then I added the 50/20, which is where I'm at today. And see, by doing this now, I still have plenty of upside room. We're coming into expiration week. Theta is getting bigger every day. And I still have lots of downside room. What if we decide to pull back, Mark? That's going to be great. We'll come back down in here and volatility will go up, which will help this trade. And volatility's gone down some this week, but it really has been very trickling down. So that's what I've done with this trade so far. A lot of times, you guys know we can get out of these trades much quicker to profit. But whenever it runs up like that, sometimes we got to take action. So I added something up here. So now what I'm going to try to do is probably get anywhere from 6 to 8% on these two calendars combined, and then I will be out. So that's what I'm doing with that. Now, for this coming week, if you wanted to put on a new trade, I would probably do the same thing. Volatility's low. I like it even better up here because I think we're really due for some sort of a pullback or at least a little bit of rest. But I'd once again put something on Monday, even Tuesday, if you couldn't get to it Monday, for the 23rd in this case, a calendar, and then by the 27th, 4 days wide again. And you could do that probably later in the day on Monday, wherever we're at, maybe go 10, 20 points below that and put something like this on. So that's my plan for this week for calendars, which is one of the trades I will be doing. I'm going to add some other stuff too, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can see that. But that is what I did this past week. This is what I at least will do, at least in part, this coming week. Now, the only exception would be if we had some huge, 70, 80 point down day Monday, then right at the opener around that, I wouldn't be adding a calendar. I might wait. We would see. But that's my plan if we stay around where we're at or go up a little bit on Monday. Now, on to the future. I'm still going to be doing these YouTube videos at least once a week and probably more like twice, I think, most of the time. And let me show you what else I'm going to be doing and how you can join me going forward. So let me bring this up. So if you look here, and by the way, the links are all in the description for this. I'm just showing you here on the screen and talking about it, but you can follow this link on the description and take you right to this page so you can sign up for this. And also, if you ever want one-on-one mentoring, I have a lot of students that like that. We have a one-on-one session in a Zoom meeting room, just you and I dial it into you personally. Where are you at financially? Where are you wanting to go? How much money are you wanting to make? Those are private sessions. I do those too. If you want those, then just contact me directly. You can either contact me at this email here below, theoptionsmentorspx@gmail.com, or you can also, my email for the actual YouTube index options for income at Gmail is on the YouTube also. You can use either of those and get to me if you have questions or you want to get some one-on-one mentoring, we can do that. But what I'm going to be doing going forward is I'm going to have a couple of trading rooms. And I'm doing it at a site called Arrowmer. Many of you have probably heard of it. And what I'm doing is Monday through Friday, I'm going to do what I call the opening bell. Now, that'll be at 8 a.m. Central, 30 minutes before the market opens, wherever you're at in the world, and Monday through Friday. And what I do in the opening bell is I look at the overnight moves, what's been going on, any news that came up, any news that we know is coming out, economic news or whatever, and how that might affect the market. Also look at what trades might be in focus for the day, and just kind of give you a start. If there's been a big move overnight, I talk about how you might handle that in different trades. And we talk about going forward, what trades we might look at that day. And then on Mondays and Thursdays, I will have at 1 o'clock Central Time, I'm going to have what I call a Trader's Lounge help desk. Really, it's a trading room. And what I'll do in that is show you new trades, teach you trades, how to do them, how to adjust them. That'll all be in my Trader's Lounge and help desk. And also the reason why I call it help desk, we will at times, if you have a problem trade on, I can look at those with you. I can have you, I can promote you to panelists there. You can share your screen, connect your audio, and then you can say, hey, Mark, I got this calendar on, it's here. What do I do? Now, of course, this is going to be with live trades and things you have a question on and trade you're actually in, not proposed trades. But I'll help you with those also if someone needs help with some of those trades. And we'll talk about trading just in general, new trades, all that in my Trader's Lounge. All things options trading will go on, and that, once again, that'll be every Monday at 1 o'clock Central Time and every Thursday at 1 o'clock Central Time. And then the opening bell rather, is every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central. Now you can get all of that for a year. You can buy it as a yearly thing, or you can buy it monthly. If you just want to buy it monthly, if you sign up by the end of February, you can get the first 6 months for $50 a month. Or if you want, you could get the first year for $500 if you do it by the end of February. And then after that, after beginning in March, it's $75 a month for people that sign up later. And just so you're clear, after that 6 months, or after the year, if you buy the whole year, it will be going to 75 as your new rate also. But this is a great way to get in. Check it out inexpensively, 50 a month or 500 for the first year. If you do it by the end of February, you can go right here and get signed up and pay and everything right there at aramar.com/opening bell. The link's there. I'll have the link also in the description. Now, another thing I'm going to be, this is really exciting. I'm also going to be creating over the next couple of weeks a trade service where I will text you when I'm getting in a trade, what trade it is, describe it, when I adjust it, if I do, or when I get out of it at a profit, what I did. So you'll be able to follow along by text every step of the way of what I did with the trade. I'll send a text out when I put one on, send one out when I adjust it, send one out when I close it. So that will be a complete service where you can follow along with me. And I'll be offering that. That should be on this, probably it'll be on the same page here over the next couple of weeks. And I'll have a link for you guys for that also, if that's something you'd rather do. Some people would rather do that because they like that better than just following along and doing the trades, following their own set of rules. They want to just follow along with what I'm doing. It can be educational, as well as if you did that and you complementing it with coming to my Trader's Lounge and opening bell and learn how to do all these trades yourself. I think it's a great package. I'm also going to be doing some classes, maybe an hour and a half classes where I really dive into a trade. I have an all put flat fly that's been around the internet. A lot of people know about it, but I'm going to put up a new video about that here over the next few weeks also, that you'll be able to get on that site. And then others along the way where I talk about different trades, just beginning and end, really dialing into the nuts and bolts of different trading strategies. So I'm really excited about this. This all starts this Monday. Oh, by the way, this Monday through Friday, it's free. So you don't have to pay to see the first week of this. After that, starting Tuesday the 20th, remember Monday the 19th, the market's closed. Tuesday the 20th on, That will be a paid service. And like I said, if you sign up by the end of the month, you're getting a pretty good discount. Sign up later. It's still a really affordable, well worth it package. So that's what I have for you guys today. I really appreciate all the encouragement I've been getting on these YouTube videos. I'm going to keep doing them. Please tell your friends about us here. Have them come over, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you're always notified. And we'll be going forward with this new room. It won't be as glitchy as live YouTube was this week. I know that was a problem. This will be, you'll go straight into it's a Zoom meeting room. No problems at all with audio or visual, and we'll be in good shape. So I look forward to seeing you guys there on Monday, and I hope you come along with me on the trading experience and really improve your trading, because after all, that's what it's all about. You getting better, and most importantly, you making money. All right, I'll talk to you guys on Monday. If I don't see you there, I'll see you next week in another YouTube video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.